Welcome to Gear Grinders. Today we're turning our attention to a true street legend, the 2026 Yamaha MT-07. Famous for its aggressive styling, approachable performance, and everyday versatility, the MT-07 has long been a favorite among riders of all levels. The 2026 model refines what we love about this naked street fighter while bringing fresh updates for the modern era. Let's take a closer look at what makes this new MT-07 so exciting. Design and aesthetics. The 2026 Yamaha MT-07 continues its bold, muscular street fighter stance with a sharper front end and new LED lighting that gives it a fierce look. The bodywork has been smoothed out for a sleeker appearance, while updated color schemes and fresh graphics provide more personalization options. The ergonomic design still emphasizes rider comfort, with a slim fuel tank and upright seating position for both city rides and longer trips. Performance and powertrain. At the core is Yamaha's proven 689 cubic centimeters parallel twin CP2 engine, delivering smooth torque and responsive power across the rev range. The 2026 model receives refined fuel mapping for improved throttle response and efficiency, paired with a slick 6-speed gearbox. Suspension updates bring better handling and stability, while lightweight construction ensures agility in traffic and confidence on twisty backroads. Whether you're a new rider or an experienced enthusiast, the MT-07 strikes the perfect balance of performance and accessibility. Safety and technology. The new MT-07 introduces an upgraded TFT display with full smartphone connectivity, giving riders access to navigation, calls, and ride data at a glance. Dual-channel ABS and traction control now come standard, providing extra confidence in varied conditions. Yamaha has also improved the braking system for sharper stopping power, while offering optional riding modes for a more customized experience. Conclusion. The 2026 Yamaha MT-07 builds on its legendary reputation with thoughtful updates in design, technology, and performance. It remains one of the best middleweight naked bikes on the market, delivering excitement without losing everyday usability. Stay tuned to Gear Grinders for more motorcycle news, reviews, and first looks at the machines shaping the future of riding.